Did you know your Galaxy Z Flip6 has a hidden feature designed to help people with low vision? It's called Relumino Outline, and most users have no idea it exists. Let's unlock it. Hey there! Whether you're setting up your phone for someone with visual challenges, or just curious about Samsung's accessibility tools, this quick guide is for you. Let's dive into it. First, open Settings on your Z Flip6. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Next, go to Advanced Settings. Tap Accessibility button. This is the menu where you choose what feature the shortcut will launch. Now tap Select Actions. In the list, look for Relumino Outline and check the box next to it. Once selected, you'll now see a floating accessibility button on your screen or in the navigation bar, depending on how you've set it up. So what does Relumino Outline actually do? It highlights the edges of objects and text on your screen, making them easier to see, especially for people with low vision or contrast sensitivity. It's not just a filter, it's an intelligent visual aid built right into your phone. This can help when reading websites, viewing photos, or navigating apps with lots of small elements. It's subtle, but incredibly helpful, and way under the radar. So there you go, one of Samsung's most underrated accessibility features, right at your fingertips. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, or share it with someone who might benefit. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring your tech.